Happy New Year! This is the boring New Year ever.
Can you wait? Picture me.
No, it's not a picture, it's video.
I'm in video.
Video, man.
It's a brother.
It's boring, dude.
I'm eating. Dinakdakan at pansit.
You want palo?
Stop it, Fred. That's silly. Tata,
It's the best tourist ever.
leave me alone, Freddy. Begging ya.
Wait.
Ada, you're hungry again? You just ate. Holy shit.
Si Ada, ako ka na. Lagyan mo ng ano na, yung pansit ba?
Okay. That was funny.
Now you can go.
I can still go.
How you can jump?
Oh, someone just texted me.
I'm not gonna get you. I'm gonna go for me.
I don't want.
Give me that, it's mine. Give me that, that's mine. Give me. You can use the other one though.
Hey! Stop. I'm recording it. I'm giving this to the Philippines.
Oh my god.
Tata.
Kumain.
Kumain daw po kayo, madami la.
Ay, hindi naman pwede na yun. Bawal naman. Ay, konti-konti lang.
Natutulog si mama.
Si mama.
Kata tayo, sa piano. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can only use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can only use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Lagi naman siya natutulog ng tulog.
Kasi ganun siya. May tagaloto na kasi.
Always say that.
Just chatting with someone is the boring ever.
I don't care. We're gonna go down with that and then you're gonna sit on me for.
Me and her.
Do this? Do this? Do this?
Take off 40 pounds! Ew!
No, I want. No, Ella. Okay, now it's my turn.
No. Ew! I recorded it. Ew!
Yep.
You do it again. Okay. I'll go under the hole.
Kadiri!
Sit on my back. I mean my bum.
Ew, Ferdy, you're so disgusting.
No, do it right here.
Ew, dude. You guys are nasty.
Ella, you should sit on it.
What do you want? You guys are kind of look having disgusting things that is going on.
Sit on me.
Our house is messed up.
Okay.
Look at our house. It's gonna look
Now.
weird.
Ella, sit.
Eating.
Ay, picture mo nga yung ano, bilo-bilo na yan. Para ipadala mo sa kanya.
Oh yeah.
Ay, padala. Picture mo yung bilo-bilo. Gusto sabihin mo nga. Gusto mo bilo-bilo.
Balik tata oh.
Tita.
Okay, bye for now, peeps. Bye.